The world of business just changed forever. Not slowly, not eventually, right now. I'm Ashley, an AI instructor for Next Gen AI Academy. AI isn't coming. AI is already here. Every day, businesses are falling behind. Not because they're lazy, not because they're not talented, but because they don't understand AI. And here's the truth most people won't tell you. It's no longer about who works harder. It's about who works smarter. AI is no longer a tech trend. It writes content. It creates designs. It answers customers. It runs ads. It analyzes data. Businesses using AI are moving faster, spending less, and reaching more people. Businesses that don't are being replaced. Not by robots. By people who know how to use them. Marketing used to mean long hours, expensive agencies, and guessing what works. AI changed that. Now, one person can do the work of a full marketing team. AI helps you understand your audience, create content faster, run smarter ads, automate follow-ups, scale without burning out. If you know AI marketing, you don't chase customers. Customers find you. Here's the reality. In the next few years, there will be two types of people in business. Those who understand AI, and those who are confused why their income disappeared. AI won't replace people, but people who know AI will replace people who don't. That's why we built Next Gen AI Academy. Not for programmers, not for tech experts, but for real people who want real results. We teach AI and AI marketing in a simple, practical, beginner-friendly way, so you can work less, earn more, and stay relevant in a fast-changing world. The future belongs to those who adapt. The question isn't if you should learn AI. The question is, will you learn it before or after it's too late? Welcome to the next generation of business,